Hello friends, this is Astrologer Mohnish and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. In this video, especially if you are a new beginning trader, I will highlight you some of the major concepts using our VIP indicator also, and also the old school traditional methodology, how to see the momentum, how to see the direction, trends of the market. That is the first thing you need to understand. Where is the momentum, bullish or bearish? How you do that? Using the old school techniques and our VIP indicator, which filters out everything, which gives you right the time to enter, time to sell. I've seen many traders using 20, 30, 40 computer screens, 40, 50, 30, dozens and dozens of indicators, but they still cannot achieve success in their trading activities because they are putting so much of information in their head, and they go with analysis by paralysis and their mind cannot act. See, our brain has a limitation, and then we are emotional also. That emotion aspect come from your chart, your birth chart, how your chart is supporting your financial activities and your decision making, your intuitivity to go in the market long or short, what decisions you're making on the day-to-day basis. That is all in your birth chart. So it's always good to get your birth chart analyzed and where some of the gemstones, some other things you can do to improve your trading style, improve your financial freedom, and gain lots and lots of intuitivity and financial progress. Now, that is birth chart. But from the trading perspective, how you dissect the things in the market, how you just get away from the noise, how you filter everything. Our VIP indicator shows you everything. That's the only two indicators we are giving you. You need to change your trading strategy. This is a game changer. My dear friends, this is a game changer. Artificial intelligence embedded into it. How you use it, I have done many videos, but here in this video, I'm going to make it very simple approach. Step number one is finding the directions of the market, and then when to get in, when to get out. I will show you the primitive, old school, traditional methods also, and compare it with our VIP trading indicators, and you will see where the winning edge is. It's all about timing, and you will see in here where the winning edge is. So stay tuned with me, watch this video till the end, and understand everything step by step, slowly and gradually. Watch this video again and again and again till you understand the whole concept. Okay, so stay tuned with me. So here I'm sharing my screen. This is the 1-day chart of NVIDIA. You see, we are on TradingView platform. And this is a blank canvas. There's no indicator you see in here I've loaded. There's no indicator. Okay, and you can see right click, reset the chart. This is what you see when you open the chart of NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Amazon. This is what you see. And this is the candlestick. Okay, so candles and daily chart. Now, as a newbie, new trader, you don't know what does it mean. How can you interpret whether the markets are going up or down, or they are just going sideways? The old school methodology is you go to indicators and click on moving averages. So this is what the old school methodology is to understand where the trends are. So you see the moving average, simple moving average. Okay, we close this. Here you see it has taken the 9-day moving average. We want to change it to 200-day length. Now it is telling us from last 200 days, what are the moving averages? And we will plot it on the chart. Now you see that the 200-day moving average, the line is going upwards. Now you don't need to be a rocket scientist to know that the trends are up, bullish. Any child, any kindergarten student can also tell that line is going upwards. That means the trends are 100% bullish for NVIDIA. Look at it. It's going all bullish. And this is the first thing you need to see with any stock you see. Let's say Apple, you see that trends are here. It is getting a little jittery, but anytime the prices are above this 200 moving line and the 200 moving line is making a very good slopey upwards, that means it's bullish. The markets are bullish from 200 days. Okay, we're going to go back to NVIDIA for this example. Now, the second thing what the primitive and old school traders does is they go to indicators and then they will do another moving average, and this time they will take moving average simple and they will plot it for 50 days. You see, come here, 9 days by default, but you come to settings and you say 50 days. I want to see in last 50 days where the price average is going on. And I'm going to go to visibility style and make it, let's say, a red line. Okay, let's make it a darker red, deeper red. Here it is. Now you see that the 200-day moving average line is going upwards. NVIDIA is very bullish. The red light is also going upwards. And then when you see this red line crosses the blue line, if you go back, the red line crosses the blue line, the bullish trends emerge from here. Okay, so this is the day 26th of January 2023. From here, the prices never came. This is the line dissecting the blue line, and they are keep continuing upwards, 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 upwards. So the people who are investing for the long term, they will enter the positions when this red line crosses the blue line, and they will buy here. They will buy here and then just keep it. You see that 19th January 2023, this stock was $16. Today it is $143, right? So this is one thing. But what we are learning here is how to see the momentum in less than 1 minute. Now, the third thing what the prudent or the old school traders does, they go to indicators and now they will do moving average, and they will pick exponential. Now, this is for the swing trading, that you want to be in and you want to be out in few days. They will plot exponential moving average. Click on here. This is EMA. Again, I'm not going in technicals, what the calculations are. You can just search it, Google it. Go to the settings. We want 9 days only period for the swing trade. We go to the style, and then I will plot it as a darker green and a little bit more thicker. Now you see that here? What does this mean now? Now this means within 1 second, within 30 seconds, let's say that, you know trends are upwards, bullish. So you know what game you need to play for NVIDIA. Always bullish, because whenever it drops down, there are people who are waiting to buy it. Okay, so your line of action, your trade should be bullish. Now, when bullish, when to enter the trade? If you're a swing trader, you want to quickly in and out. Now you see when the green line meets the red line, when it crosses, this is where entry happens. And this is where the exit happens. This is again entry happens, and this is where the exit happens. You can play this game again and again and again and again, because 9 days is an average you are making sure. So 9-day average, it tells us that the momentum is very, very strong. Very, very high waves are coming. And this is where you see that green line crossing the red line. Momentum is very high. Last 9 days, people are buying. You get in here, you get in here. Then let it retrace. You get in here, and then it doesn't go much longer, but you can just still hit your profits or exit. Again, there's a flaws in this strategy. That's the reason I don't want you to use this strategy, but I'm teaching you how the old school methods used to work. Now you see here, if you are a swing trader, you will buy in here for 9 days or 10 days, and you sell it here when the profit zone hits your target. So this is actually the whole game is being played by the old school traders. You can do the same thing with 1 hour. Let's say this is daily. If you want to play a shorter time frame, now when you go for the shorter time frame, you always first make sure daily where the momentum is. If the daily momentum is bullish, then even in the shorter time frame, play a bullish game if you are a new trader, because you know that you don't want to get caught into the wrong direction. If you, let's say, open the 1 hour window and you start shortening, you want to short sell the positions here, like you want to play a bearish game, then in the longer time frame, we know that markets are bullish. It may not go that down, this stock, because there are a lot of people who are waiting to buy this stock. So when the market is bullish, they are saying that we want to buy this stock. You can understand when the stock will be at the discounted price, 10%, 20%, how many people will buy it? They're just waiting in the line at the discounted price to buy such a big stock, NVIDIA. Same is with Amazon, Apple, Tesla, all the big companies. So when the momentum is up, you should wait for the signal to buy upside only, even in 1 hour. You see that here the signal came, the green line crosses. But when to hit your profit, when to hit your stop loss, you don't know that. This is a very simple blank indicator, which has been developed just by our own strategy. It has not been developed on any AI or anything. It's just like a momentum. You're playing with a momentum. Here you enter, here you exit, here you enter, here you exit. And this is what you can keep playing. Okay. And there could be many false positives and negatives also. And if you're even doing the 5 minutes chart, you can see that there'll be many more indicators. Like see in 5 minutes, the markets are the blue line is sloping down, the red is sloping down, and green is sloping down. So in 5 minutes chart, the trends are very, very bearish. Now, if you're a very good trader and you want to take a chance in 5 minutes chart to go bearish, that means you're very brave. Why you're brave? Because you know Nvidia is a bullish stock. It is going up in the daily chart. So would you play 5 minutes bearish, or you will wait for a bullish sign to appear and then play it? Because the bullish side is huge potential because this stock is moving upwards, while was bearish could be a short-term temporary move, and then the stock will go again in the north direction. So now, if you see this setup, let's do it with 1 hour, and I'm going to do it with daily also. And now compare it with our VIP indicator. Okay. So I'm going to bring my indicators here, click on indicators, invite only, and I'm going to bring my oscillator and my Lorentz classification also. Now, if you compare this setup, the green setup with our indicator, what you will find. Okay. So let's say that our indicator is showing here buy. Okay. Whereas if I hide this, the normal traditional method is saying buy here when the green line crosses red line. This is our hypothesis that whenever the green line crosses the 9-day exponential moving average, crosses the 50-day moving average, we buy. Okay, this is the old school methods. But look at our indicator. It is setting you up in the market much, much earlier. Look at it here. You will buy here and you will end here. We are saying you buy here and end here. We are giving you the target also, how much money you can get if your profit zone is ATR to 1.5. That means average true range of 1.5. So from here till here. And we are also giving you the stop losses. You go to our indicator. If you're a new trader, go to settings, go to inputs, and set this ATR to 1.0 as a conservative approach so that your profit line, let's say it shrinks. Right now it's a bearish sign. Okay. Now, if you see the bearish sign also with our indicator, let's say that I'm going to first hide the indicator. If we go with the hypothesis of selling here, when the green line cuts the red line, you will sell here as a old school methodology. But look at our indicator, where our indicator is telling you. Our indicator is telling you to sell here much, much earlier than this. And believe me, guys, timing is everything in the market. You don't want to get out when the wave is getting smaller. You want to get in at the right time. You don't want to get in when the people are almost made the profits and now they are waiting for you to come so that they can sell it. This is how market works. People push the prices up, 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 and you see the market is going up. Now you should buy it. But when you are buying it, they will start selling it. These people who have bought it here, they will start selling it because they are booking their profits. And you are losing your money to them. This is how everything happens. When they are selling, you will be panicked and selling it. They will buy from you and then sell it at the higher prices. They means the big hedge fund guys, the big trading institutes, the big professional traders, and even the most of the traders and analysts sitting on the TV screens. They are not working in your favor. They are not working for your interest. They want you to lose money so that their big hedge fund companies and investment companies can make money. Now, look at another signal. Okay, so our hypothesis is we enter the trade when the green line crosses the red line. And if you see this one, you will enter here as an old school trader and look at our indicator. It's showing right in here, get ready. Okay, you can even enter here, but if you are a prudent, you see that our indicator is right in here. So again, we are 5 bars before the old school traditional indications. This is a game changer. This is a setting for your success. Even for the daily chart, look at it, daily chart. When will you buy? Okay, if you're an old school trader, let's hide this. Okay, when will you buy? Let's say that. So you will buy here. Let's say that you will buy here, or you will buy here. Let's say that. So let's assume you're buying here at this price point. Okay, and what is the price point? This is the price point of $89. Okay, and you see this indicator is showing right before it. So this indicator is showing momentum at this bar. Okay, but let's open our indicator, and you see our indicator is telling you to buy here instead of here. Why? Because it's looking for the biggest wave possible for you. Okay, so again, we are 2-3 bars behind this one, but we are more accurate. Okay, similarly, if we do more examples, okay, let's see that within this bar, let's say that I just found this one. If this is the trade you're going in, within this trade we have multiple trades opening up for us within our through our VIP trading indicator, because we saw a sign here. You can, if you miss this particular wave, you can join it here again. Okay, you can join in here again, and you can join multiple times within our trading indicator, the same wave again and again. So let's see further down. Okay, let's see again. Hypothesis is when would you commit to your buying trade? So here you will see when the green line crosses the red line and the blue line. So all 3 lines, the green must be closing. Sorry, the red line, the green line must be crossing all these 2 lines, and this is the point here. Okay, the old school method is this of trading. You enter here, and this entry point for you is $17. Okay, if we open our indicator, we are getting this at the $13. See, so we are giving you best timing to enter the trade. This is how you trade. This is a game changer, my dear friends. Again, I'll do more videos to explain you how the old school methods compare to our methods, our indicator, what difference they have, and how much the winning edge you will get when you use our VIP indicators. I will show you with MACDs also. I will show you many other indicators also. Or you tell me which indicator you are using. I will show you how our VIP indicator will beat your indicator. I can assure you this, because I have been into astrology for 22 years. I've been into financial astrology 22 years. I have everything in the back of my head. I sleep, dream, eat, everything, all these indicators. Ichimoku cloud. Ichimoku cloud is such a big indicator developed by Japanese. You open that indicator. Maybe in the next video, I'll show you that. You bring that indicator and compare our VIP indicator with that. Ichimoku will give you signal when almost the whole wave is dried up, and you will miss out. And that's the reason people say, oh my God, when I buy, the market tanks. Why it happens? Oh no, whenever I buy, the market tanks, the stock tanks. Am I such a bad luck? Am I such a ill-fated person? No, you are not. It's just your timing of buying the stock is always wrong. And this is what I'm correcting in you. Emotions. Whenever you buy the stock, you should not believe what you see in those big, big, big green lines. That can be fake. That can be set up for you to failure. You need to look from the broader picture. First, understand where the direction is, momentum is, and then use our VIP indicator to cut the clutter, filter out everything, all the noise. Just play with these 2 indicators. Do the paper trading. You see how much you will be successful. Any other indicator you use, compare it with my VIP indicators, which are talismanic. I have baked into so much of power of astrology, so much of power of my energy to make you successful trader. I am putting money in your pocket. I want you to be successful. I want you to make money. I want you to quit your jobs and make money in stock trading. But you need to understand the process and the procedure and the system and the approach before you do that. And I'm giving you everything. No analysis by paralysis. pure success. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Tell me which indicator you are using. I will show you the comparison between your indicator and our VIP indicator. Very soon, next video will be published. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Astrologer Mohnish. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you.